How to add a credit card to Autofill on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up Settings on your iPhone. Once you're in, you can access all the primary settings of your iPhone. Then, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now, tap on Apps. Here, you will be able to manage all your default apps. Now, tap on Safari. Once you've opened Safari, you need to scroll a little bit. Find the option Autofill. Tap on it. Enabling it can automatically fill out web forms using your contacts or credit card info. Tap on the Saved Credit Cards option. Add your credit card info over here. You can use your camera to fill out the necessary information. Or you can just add them manually. Once you've finished inputting the data, tap on Done at the top right corner. There you go, you have successfully added your credit card info to be auto-filled by the browser. So by following these simple steps, you can easily add a credit card to autofill on iPhone.